Good morning, everybody. Let's see what's going on. It's interesting that 4 hour MACD got a golden cross, and then suddenly, what happened here? At 4:45, first we were up, then we started rolling down. So there are several reasons. What is it? USD JPY above 160 and other factors and other equities pulling back, market is pulling back, and you can see here the volumes are crazy on the ES coming in sell. Um, anyhow, pre-market right now we're looking a little bit bearish. 5, 15, 30, 1 hour is downward, 4 hour was golden cross, now is dead crossed again, and daily is curved down on the ES, and we still weekly ES is bullish. Um, to do NQ, same thing. 4 hour golden cross, but not that cross yet. And weekly daily MACD is near that cross. Note that the NQ and ES are more stronger because they are the new futures, but SPY and QQQ, the daily MACD is near that cross. It got a little bit diverted yesterday because of the jump ups, but gotta be cautious. Note that 4 hour MACD, whenever golden crosses, market runs up, but it runs up when the MACD and the daily and weekly are bullish. When the daily MACD dead crosses, gotta be less chance for a run up. Dow Jones, to do 4 hours downward, RTY, daily MACD dead cross, 4 hour and 1 hour is downward. DXY, jump up there too. You can see here, it continues non-stop going higher. It's looking very bullish on the 31 hour and 4 hour, and daily and weekly 105 59985 passes. Next major level is 106 614. This is one of the factors that market is pulling back down. The higher this goes, it's not going to be good. And 10-year note is jumping up 1% today. They 1 hour and 4 hour very bullish upward, and if daily MACD is curving up, we got the first yellow bar, so 4.308. If it passes, we're looking at 4.371 next major level. Wix is 2% higher, opening above 1307. Anytime it goes below that, market can get a squeezy. If it runs up, continues run up on the 1531 hours upward right now. If it continues run up, 1373 is the next major level. Above that, those are the next level. BTC, 4 hour got a golden cross yesterday, but most likely it's possible to establish a range. Then we'll see what's gonna happen. Apple got an upgrade, so it jumped up on the upgrade. I think that was the same time as the upgrade. It went to 211, now it pulled back again. I like that the 4 hour MACD is golden cross, but at the same time daily MACD is dead cross, so there's mixed signal. 210, if it passes, we're looking at 211, 213, 214. If 209 can hold it, back to 207, 208, and 207. Amazon had a very weak close, a gap top open this morning, but again pulled back. 4 hour is dead cross downward after that drop. Still very bullish on daily, so there is the general mixed signal. Key level to watch right now is hovering around 186, 185.35, and 188.65. Breaks either one, bigger move come above 188.65, 190, 192, 195. If it goes below 185, can run down back to 182 and 180. Nvidia was gap up, but then big dump there. And this is one of another reason that market pulled back. It went all the way to 128, 129, and right now pre-market you can see here 5, 15, 30 is downward. 1 hour is near dead cross. It had a nice recovery. Was oversold, so it did a recovery yesterday and this morning, but then again bears are coming back in. In general, 4 hour MACD is golden cross on Nvidia, but daily MACD is dead cross, so that's what I meant when the daily MACD is dead cross. 4 hour MACD golden cross, you gotta be cautious on it. Anyhow, but it's opening 60 80 cents lower. So if it falls more, 123.87, 122.76, those are the next major level to watch. If it can't hold it, back to 120, 118.68. Need to get above 125.8 to run up again to 126 or 127.5. Need to break 127.5 strong to run up to 131. If you see 5 and 15 MACD golden cross, can go up and retest higher levels. If 1 hour MACD weekly dead cross today, and if you see 4 hour dead crosses, and then a bigger dump comes again. AVGO showed some strength intraday yesterday, but it's still 4 hours downward and daily MACD is curved down. Need to pass 1585 and 1609 for a bigger run up. Right, open above 1609, but then again pull back, pull it back. 1566, if it can hold it, can go down to 1553, 40, and 24. 1585, if it passed 1609, above 1609, those are the higher level. But just keep in mind, need to get a 4 hour MACD golden cross for run up. Coin, nice run up yesterday, but again, as I mentioned, BTC is possible to establish a range. So on 1 hour is dead cross, 220. If it passes, we're looking at 222, 226 and higher level. If 217 can hold it, 214 and 212. Netflix, need to pass 672 or 672. If it passed 675, 679, 684, below 663, it can dump again to 656 and 649. 4 hours still bearish downward. Had a nice some recovery yesterday, but daily MACD is near dead cross, and weekly we got a dark blue bar, so it's possible to have some profit locking before the earning, and then we'll see if it's gonna 700 comes or not. Meta was strong yesterday, a strong close to 511 if it passed, 514. 4 hours still bullish upward, but pre-market 1530 1 hour is pointing down. 507 if it can hold it, 503 below that, 501, 499 and 497. Tesla is gonna report their quarterly report. Is very bullish on the 4 hour daily and weekly, and compared to other names are holding up pre-market. 187, 189, those are the next key level. Once it passed 189, 11 strong, next majors are 191, 194, 197. When 200 passes, this one can go insane, but we'll see if it's gonna do or not. Again, if it pulls back, 184, 183 in support. Below that, those are the next levels. Microsoft, this one is just not giving up, is staying around 450, is not giving up. So 451 if it passes, 453, 457, but it's just again, market is weak pre-market. So if 449 can hold it, maybe retest 446, 444, but anytime this falls, it comes back again to 450. It's just staying in the tight range. Google, a new all-time high yesterday, very strong close, but market weakening. 4 hour, we're getting a dark blue bar. 1 hour is dead cross. Need to pass 183.88 for run up again to 186.70, 186.76. Thank you very much. If it falls more, 181.62 is support. Below that, can go to the lower level again. AMD, it's trying to tag along with Nvidia to jump up, but it's just having a hard time. Mixed signal. Daily MACD is sharp. It was sharp coming up, but then diverted down because of the pullback, and the 4 hour MACD is just a mess. So need to pay attention to level. If 160 pass, 161.58, 162, 164. If it pulls back again, 158, 156. Below 156 can go for a bigger dive down to 150. SMCI, the need to pass 853 is strong for running up to 870, 899. If 830 can hold it, 807, 793. 4 hours still not golden cross, so that's why it doesn't have power for run up. 1530 is downward, so we'll see. SPY, big dump here, 2-3 points. It was like what, 546, then it dumped like 3 points. So it was very yo-yo roller coaster, so be very cautious. And if you're getting close to end of the months, last 2 months, it was not good. It was a lot of sales, so just be cautious. But we'll see. 542, 542 support to watch. If you can hold it, 539 and lower level, but most likely it's gonna be another roller coaster day. About 543, 545, and those are the higher level. Market is in a very tight range right now. QQQ, 477 if it can hold it, 476, 474. Need to get above 479 to run up to 481 and 483. Pre-market same like NQ, 1530 1 hour is downward. Daily MACD was dead cross yesterday, but because of the jump up, it diverted up. So we'll see what's gonna be open today. What else you got here? That's pretty much it on the major names. ARM was very strong yesterday, but now is showing weakness. 1 hour is dead crossing. So 158 if it can hold it, 156, 154. Need to pass 161 is strong to go 162, 165 higher level. What else? MSTR was showing a lot of strength yesterday, but again, 1 hour is curved down and it's all up to BTC. If it passed 1500, we're looking at 15, 17, 32, 57, and higher level. But again, if BTC pulls back, 53, if we can hold it, 35, 24, and those are the lower level. What else? Pan W. Pan W was very interesting yesterday. Was very strong at the open. I pulled back, then it recovered again. It's hovering around 322. 1 hour is near that cross. 4 hours still very bullish. Daily, weekly too. 323 is a key level to watch. If it passes that one, 326, 328. But if 320 can hold it again, back to 317, 312 and lower level. FTX monster jump up on the earning. This one 299, if it passes, we're looking at 306, 314 next key level. Above 314, the sky is the limit. What else? GME had a squeeze up into the close yesterday, so 25, 24, watch that level. If it passes, we're looking at 26, 67, 28.99 next key level. RIVN, big jump up, but if 1588 can hold it, it's possible to retest lower level. 1530 is downward. 1 hour MACD is near that cross, is curved down, but 4 hours still very bullish. So it's possible to come a little bit down today, but then it run up. Most likely 1949 should come next few days. What else? CMG got a split, so I didn't get a chance to draw new levels. I got to do that. That's pretty much it. Good morning, Amnon. Good morning, Ali. Pan W, I did it now. So now doesn't have volume pre-market. So this one, the bid and ask is 748, 756. In general, 1 hour, 4 hour is upward. Daily is upward, but market is a little bit weak pre-market. So if the volume if it goes below 745, it's not gonna be good. So below 745 can go down to 731 and lower level. If it passes 757, then 769, 786. Those are the next major level. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day, everybody.